Hi children, welcome back to the GK class. So today we are going to study a wonderful topic of your GK, 18th topic of your third unit, places of worship. Yes, we all know that India is the land of religions. Right, my dear children? Today we are going to learn about the places of worship in India. How many places are there and what are their qualities? How many religions do we follow? We know that we are very famous for unity in diversity. Being diverse, we are united. This is our India. This is our country. So, let us start the interesting topic of today, that is places of worship. What they have given to you here. Identify and name the following famous places of worship. We know there are number of places which are very famous for one or the other quality in India. But today we are going to see the places of worship. Yes. So what you have to do, they have given the clues for you. And which religion follows it? They have given number of clues and places where they are situated. And even the pictures also you can observe. You have to identify which is that place of worship. Okay? So let us start, my dear children. First one. The spiritual center of Sikh religion was completed in 1601. It is located in the middle of Amrit Sarovar lake. The golden dome is shaped like an inverted lotus. The holy book of Sikhs, the Guru Granth Sahib, has been kept here. Yes, as you can see, it is very easy to identify. That is first one, Golden Temple of Amritsar, which is located on the lake Amrit Sarovar, where the Sikh people follow their holy book, that is Guru Granth Sahib. Okay, and it is kept there in that particular place. Okay, and it was built in 16th century. Okay, my dear children, so they follow the Golden Temple of Amritsar. Okay, which people follow? Sikh people follow. Sikh religion people will follow. Now, coming to the second one. This is a popular pilgrimage spot for the Hindus at Tirumala, Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh. This temple, situated on the 7 hills, is dedicated to Lord Venkateshwara, an incarnation of Lord Vishnu. It attracts millions of pilgrims every year. Yes, I know that you people are aware of this place. Right, which is the temple, my dear children? Fast. It is situated in Tirupati, which is very famous in Andhra Pradesh. Yes, and it is dedicated to Lord Venkateshwara. So, the temple is Sri Venkateshwara Temple of Andhra Pradesh, which is situated on the 7 hills of Andhra Pradesh. It is very popular pilgrimage where every year millions of people perform their activities, every ritual activities every year. Okay, now coming to the third one. Yeah, the house of worship for the Baha'i sect was completed in 1986 at New Delhi. It is shaped like a lotus with 27 petals. Yes. Now you can see here Yes, Baha'i sect is nothing but a sect of people who believe in an unique type of religion or a religious where they follow their own rituals and it is not being explained to others. So we have a very little knowledge about this. It was built in 1986 at New Delhi and it is shaped like a lotus. That temple is shaped like a lotus with 27 petals. Okay, so the name of this place is Lotus Temple, okay, which is situated in New Delhi. Coming to the fourth one. It is an important temple of the Buddhist at Bodh Gaya, Bihar. This is where Prince Siddhartha meditated under Bodhi tree and became the Buddha. Yes, you know the story of Buddha, right? So, this is the temple. The name of the temple is Mahabodhi Temple. Okay, where Gautam Buddha got meditated and he meditated under the Bodhi tree. Okay, where he completely changed his religion. Okay, my dear students. Now coming to the fifth one. India's largest mosque was built in 1656 by Emperor Shah Jahan. Up to 20,000 people can pray together in the courtyard at one time. You can see in the image, it is the very famous Jama Masjid. And it is the India's largest mosque. Okay, it was built in 1656 by the Emperor Shah Jahan, Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. In that particular courtyard in the sense ground, in that particular ground, together 20,000 people can pray at a time. Okay, my dear students, so what is the fifth answer? Jama Masjid. Okay, now coming to the sixth one. This temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva. It was originally built by the Pandyas in 7th to 10th century with a lot of additions made to it later on. It is located in Madurai, Tamil Nadu. Very famous temple, my dear children. It was built in 7th to 10th century. And later on, number of things were added to that particular temple. Okay, you know Madurai, yes, where the people of Pandya live. Yes, in social science you are going to study this, right? And it is the temple of Lord Shiva. So it is the Meenakshi Sundareshwara temple of Madurai, which is in Tamil Nadu, which is very famous and it is dedicated to Lord Shiva. Okay. Now coming to the seventh one. This basilica is famous all over the world and located in Goa. It was built in 1594 in a mixture of Italian and Indian style. It preserves the body of Saint Francis Xavier, who died in 1552, and it is Basilica Church. Yes, this basilica, the name of the building itself is a basilica. Okay, so it is located in Goa, where the building is a combination of both Indian and Italian style. You can see in the image, right? And the body of the great saint, okay, Saint Francis Xavier, preserved there. It is still preserved there. Okay, and he died in 1552. Okay. It is also believed as basilica is of born Jesus, means the another form of Jesus. He is not Jesus, he is the form of Jesus. Okay, where Christian people particularly believe to be have taken birth. Jesus has taken birth in the form of basilica. Okay, so the seventh answer is Basilica of born Jesus. Coming to the eighth one. The White Mosque was built in 1940s at Mumbai, Maharashtra. It is situated in the Arabian Sea and approached by a causeway. Yes, it is another mosque which is in Mumbai. It was built in 1940s. Okay, by a person named Haji Ali. Okay, so the name of the mosque itself is Haji Ali Mosque. So eighth answer is Haji Ali Mosque, which is situated on Arabian Sea, on the shore of Arabian Sea. Okay, and it is approached by causeway. Number of people every year. Okay, every single year. Coming to the ninth one. This is the one of the most famous temples of Hindus situated in the town of Katra in Udhampur district of Jammu Kashmir, that is in India. This cave temple has an altitude of 12 km up to the hill from Katra. There are 3 rock cut statues in 100 feet long cave. Yes, and this is very famous temple of Hindus and it is situated in Jammu and Kashmir. Every year number of people goes as an pilgrimage, that is Vaishno Devi temple. Number of people follow Vaishno Devi as their home goddess. Okay, so it is in the Udhampur district of Jammu and Kashmir, where the Katra Hills caves. That temple is in the caves with number of rock cut statue and 3 most rock cut statues with 100 feet long. Rock cut statues in the sense the statues which are cut in the rocks, in the stones. Okay, without using any science and technology, they have cut the statues. Okay, my dear children, so the ninth answer is Vaishno Devi temple. 10th one of the largest church in Asia. It is dedicated to Catherine of Alexandria. This church is 250 feet in length and 181 feet in breadth. The entrance is 115 feet high. This church has a large bell known as Golden Bell. So this church is nothing but Saint Cathedral Church. Yes, Saint Cathedral Church. It is having the golden bell and it is the biggest church of Asia. Okay, whole continent. It is the biggest of whole continent. And this has its own quality, where you can see the length of the church is 250 feet and the breadth of the church is 181 feet and the entrance high of the feet is 115 feet. This is unique in its own sense, where Christians follow. Okay, obviously they have given the help box to you. You can take the help from these box also, as I have said you the answer, so not needed to worry. Now coming to the one important point, that is etc. Vishwanath temple at Varanasi, UP is dedicated to Lord Shiva and is believed to be over 1,000-year old. Its dome is covered with 750 kgs of gold. Yes, it is one information given to you here. Vishwanath temple of Varanasi, which is in Uttar Pradesh, is dedicated to the Lord Shiva, the god Lord Shiva. And is believed that it is older than 1000 years. Okay, and the upper dome of the temple is covered with 750 kgs of gold. Oh my god. Okay, I hope you people understand this. If any doubts, you can ask me, or else fill it up and complete it.